The fiber consistency is still too coarse here.
All right, I am increasing the hammer speed by 5%.
The shredded sugarcane enters the first crushing mill, where enormous steel rollers squeeze the material with tremendous pressure. After the final crushing stage, the dry sugarcane fiber, known as bagasse, leaves the milling system on wire belts. The filtered juice enters massive stainless steel heat exchangers, where controlled heating prepares it for clarification.
The extracted sugarcane juice flows large rotary screening systems equipped with
The treated juice enters enormous clarification tanks designed for slow and continuous settling. Heavy impurities gradually sink to the bottom.
The collected clarification mud is pumped into industrial separation equipment for further processing.
Check the efficiency metrics on Loop 7.
All green, well within the target range. The steam pressure is holding steady.
The clarified juice passes through multiple industrial filtration units, equipped with ultra-fine stainless steel filter screens.
Vacuum systems are fully engaged, and the temperature is holding steady at the lower threshold. We have crystal formation on Sector 3.
Check the screens, the CVI is excellent this batch.
And the sample confirms the uniformity is within the premium standard.
The finished crystal mixture, known as massicrete, is discharged from the vacuum pan into large stainless steel holding vessels. Heavy-duty pumps transport the thick mixture.
All systems are showing green, the feed rate is perfectly stable. Looks good, we are ready for the final purification stage. All systems are showing green, the feed rate is perfectly stable. Looks good, we are ready for the final purification stage.
The moisture levels are stabilizing right on target.
Airflow systems are maintaining the ideal temperature.
The cooled sugar enters high-capacity vibrating screening machines fitted with precision stainless steel mesh screen.
All parameters are within the premium grade specification.
Good. We can authorize the transfer to storage now. White sugar enters fully automatic weighing machines operating at extremely high speed. Precision electronic scales measure identical amounts of sugar for every package. Selected white sugar crystals enter high-speed industrial grinding mills equipped with precision stainless steel blades. The mills reduce the crystals into an ultra-fine. All quantities verified for the Asia-Pac shipments? Yes, manager. Certificates attached and tracking is live. Perfect. Finalize dispatch. Scan confirmed for shipment 7-2. All right, seal it up and dispatch the driver. Loaded trucks reach modern distribution centers where automated unloading systems begin processing the shipments. Electric forklifts transfer the pallets into organized warehouse storage areas. Loaded trucks reach modern distribution centers where automated unloading systems begin processing the shipments. Electric forklifts transfer the pallets into organized warehouse storage areas. Flow rate stabilizing at 500 liters per minute. BRIX levels are consistent across the last 3 batches. Check the crystallization metrics in sector gamma. We have a slight deviation. Override initiated. Parameters stabilizing now. Crushing efficiency is up 2%.
The energy output from the bagasse is stable.
Spray head.
And the distribution across all departments is optimized. Batch 45B purity is confirmed. We are good to approve the production run.
Used process water flows into the factory's advanced water treatment facility. Large filtration tanks.
Sourced from fresh sugarcane and perfected in our state-of-the-art facility. Consistent quality, from bulk to consumer.
Confirmed, the vessel cleared the Suez an hour ago. We need to reroute the next train shipment to avoid port congestion in Hamburg.
The final cinematic shot reveals mountains of brilliant white sugar moving through fully automated packaging lines.
This graph here shows the current drying efficiency.
Yes, we are maintaining ideal conditions.
Selected refined white sugar enters enclosed micronizing mills equipped with high-speed stainless steel grinding discs. The sugar crystals are reduced into an industrial robotic arms gently transfer dried sugar cubes into automatic packaging machines. Precision counting systems place the exact number of cubes into every retail box.
Scanning complete, pallet verified.
All documents confirmed. Close it up.
Sealing the container now. We are maintaining peak efficiency across all 7 lines. The synchronization metrics look perfect.
Revisiting every major production stay, from harvesting to crystallization, our team ensures maximum quality.
The flow rate to line 3 is steady.
Good, we are maintaining optimal levels for the chocolate run.
The consistency is perfect, and the sweetness level matches the premium standard.
Look at the efficiency numbers from the new recovery system. The waste reduction is exceeding projections.
We've utilized the harvest fully.
The purity and crystal size meet the premium standards.
Confirmed. The batch is approved for shipment.
The crystallization rate is fluctuating. We need to stabilize the temperature in sector gamma immediately.
From freshly harvested sugarcane to sparkling white crystals, advanced engineering converts the raw material through major manufacturing stages.
Beautiful close-up shots capture sealed sugar bags being loaded onto delivery trucks as supermarkets continue receiving fresh stock.